Are you worried while investing in crypto? Or are you just sitting back while others grab the opportunity? Wake up. The market doesn't wait. Because Faith Token is live on CoinMarketCap, FaithDex, and PancakeSwap. To buy Faith Token from CoinMarketCap, you have to open web browser. Visit the CoinMarketCap page and then search for Faith Token. Then connect wallet with any active crypto wallet which you have. Now enter the amount that you want to buy in USDT for Faith Token. Then approve it in USDT. It will send a request of buying confirmation to your wallet. After confirmation, the amount of Faith Token will shown you to buy. So you have click on Buy Faith. And again you have to confirm the request of buying from your wallet. As you confirm, your transaction will be approved. Then you can see your balance amount there. The next, if you want to buy Faith Token from FaithDex, then visit faithdex.io. Now click on Trade tab and choose Simple Mode. Now connect wallet with any active crypto wallet which you have. After connecting wallet, enter the amount of USDT you want to sell for buying Faith Token. Now click on the sign message and confirm the signature request. Then click on Buy and confirm the swap. After the you will get a request to confirm the spending cap. Similar, you will 2 more confirmation requests for the transaction. And after that your transaction will be approved. Congratulations, now you can start your faith journey today.